Okay, so who loves potato salad? Like a lot. We do, but this potato salad isn't going to be the original potato salad that we've made already in our channel. You can check that out. We'll put the description link at the end of this video, but this potato salad is coming with a twist. Today, we're making loaded potato salad. That's right. This potato salad is simple, it's yummy, and it's very easy to make. And you will enjoy it with the rest of your family. All right, let's get started. Okay, so we have a lot of our ingredients right here already. We decided to go ahead and do some of it off camera, so that way the video wasn't entirely too long. But we have our diced russet potatoes. We're going to be using some bacon. We have some fresh green onion amongst some other ingredients. And we'll get to that during the video. So we're going to go ahead and put our diced potatoes in water so they can go ahead and boil. And we're just going to go ahead and put our potatoes in here. Thank you, cameraman, for helping me out. And you want to make sure you have the water boiling and nice and hot. At least that's the way we usually do it in here. So that way, as soon as you get it on the stove, it'll already be cooking. Okay, there we go. Thank you. Oh, that is so much easier using a strainer. Thanks for the help, sweetheart. So you want to go ahead and have it boiling. We're going to cook this for about 8 minutes, or just until you can put the it's tender and the fork can go through. We'll check that a little later on. Okay, so while we have our potatoes boiling, we're going to go ahead and dice these green onions. Dice these green onions. Okay, so after we've gone ahead, we're going to put the green onions to the side. All right, now we're going to go ahead and crumble up our strips of bacon. These are a little bit more on the crisp side, but you can have it a little more chewy if you would like. See, some of ours is chewy texture too, so we got crisp and chewy. Okay, so we got our bacon all nice and crumbled. We're going to go ahead and check our potatoes and see if those are ready. It's been about 8 minutes. It's going to take a fork, poke it through. It should go in nice and easy. Because you don't want them waterlogged either. So you don't want to make sure we don't overcook them. So those are nice and ready. They're tender, fork's going through. We're just going to go ahead and strain our potatoes and let them cool down a bit. We can get started making our loaded potato salad. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put our potato salad in there. Obviously it's not cooled all the way down, but I'm just going to go ahead and get it made because we are ready to eat over here. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and take our mayonnaise. We're going to take our sour cream. We're going to also put sour cream in there. It is loaded potato salad. Kind of reminds you of a baked potato, just in a potato salad form. Let's go ahead and give that a good mix. If we need any more, we can always add it. Doesn't look like I need any more. Alrighty. Okay, and next we're going to go ahead and take some apple cider vinegar. Give that a nice little tang, a little bit of more flavor added to it. We're going to go ahead and put some pepper, some salt, some onion powder, garlic powder, and we're going to add some paprika. Let's go ahead and give this a good mix in as well. We're going to go ahead and put some green onions in here. You want to make sure that you save some back for later, because you're going to go ahead and top it. Actually, I'm just going to go ahead and put our sharp cheddar cheese and our bacon crumble, or crumble of bacon. We're going to go ahead and give this a good mix in. Now, if you want a little more than what the recipe calls for, you can add, obviously always add more toppings to your liking. I think I'm going to add some more bacon. So I added more cheese and bacon. Okay. We're just going to go ahead and transfer this to a new bowl, put it in the fridge, and let it chill. Okay, so after the loaded potato salad has chilled, we're going to just go ahead and just top it with a little bit of extra ingredients, you know. Just a little bit of extra cheese. bacon, some extra bacon crumbles. That's why we saying to save it back. Looks for a nice garnish, you know. And some green onions. There we go. And voila, there's a loaded potato salad. Nice and cold and is ready to eat. And we just want to share some scripture with you. We're in Psalms 139, verses 7 through 12. And it says, "Where can I go to escape your spirit? Where can I flee from your presence? If I go up to heaven, you are there. If I make my bed in Sheol, you are there. If I live at the eastern horizon or settle at the western limits, even there your hand will lead me. Your right hand will hold on to me. If I say, surely the darkness will hide me and the light around me will be night, even the darkness is not dark to you. The night shines like the day. Darkness and light are alike to you." And we just want to let you know, if you're feeling alone and down out there, don't forget God is with you. He's there in seasons of hardship and He's there in seasons of joy. He's always there. He's all around us. He has His eyes on you and His hand is on you. All you have to do is call out to God and He'll help you. He knows what you're going through. So we just wanted to remind you of that and encourage you all. And remember, everyone, don't forget to like this video, give us a thumbs up, comment down below, are you going to try this loaded potato salad? Make sure you ring that notification bell. Remember to check out our latest video uploads and have a blessed week.